So we are back with a new video, basic structure of C++ program, and we will also see commands in C++. So let's get started. So first of all, basic structure of C++. First of all, there is documentation section, then link section, then definition section, then global declaration section, and then main function section. After that, subprogram section. So we will see it one by one. First of all, documentation section. It includes commands to tell program's purpose. It involves readability of program. You can see it here. Other than that, we have link section. Link section is where header files required for the program are included. Header files consist of the function prototypes, and on program execution, these files are placed to file by the preprocessor. Then using directive, the section allows use of namespace. Namespace consists of data and functions which will be used in the program. Then global declaration section, visible throughout the program. All of the variable structures, classed and function defined or declared outside the main function are treated as global. You can see it above int main. And then main function section, it is a section from where execution of program actually starts. The main function is compulsory in C++ program. It includes variable set of statements to execute the program. You can see it here, int main, that is known as the main function. In curly braces, whatever you write, that is main. After that, subprogram section. The subprogram section contains all the user-defined functions that are used to perform a specific task. These user-defined functions are called in the main function. You can see it here. This is a code snippet I had shown you. This is known as subprogram section. Now we will open our C++ folder. So I will right click and open with code. So Visual Studio Code is opening. So now I will create a new file and I will name that file comments.cpp. Remember that cpp is extension, so we have to write. Let me write the program. Oh, I am using iostream.h. I have to use iostream. Let me copy that from all programs. So program will be there. So let me leave it. First of all, let me tell you what are comments by showing you writing the comments and telling you what are comments. So I will write here and I will also dictate to you. So you can use it as a resource. You can read it whenever you want to read, when you will see this program, because programs are in the description. Comments can be used to explain C++ code and to make it more readable. It can also use to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Comments can be single line or multi-line. The comment that I am writing is a multi-line comment. So single line comment start with 2 forward slashes, and any text between 2 slash and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler. Mean to say that comments are just ignored by the compiler. It will not affect your overall code. Like now we will discuss one example below. So I had copied that code, I had erased it. Now I will copy it again. So now I will write some comments here. So I am writing my first single line comment. This is a comment. So now we will run this program and see how it is running. So there is no problem. Hello world is printed very properly. So this is known as comment that do not have any effect on the code. These are written by the programmers for their understanding purpose. Now we can also write multi-line comments. Let's see one multi-line comment so that you can know that how to write multi-line comments. Like the code below will print the word by to the screen, and it is amazing. Now see out by. So now we will play this. So hello world, after that by is written here. So this was all about comments. So now we will see you in next video.